Good day, everyone. Brad here from Disneyland. Today we're just here to have fun and look around and see if we can find anything new. So let's head on in and see what there is. It's good to see they have the double-decker truck thing out. I just feel like I haven't seen it out here in quite a while. If you're a fan of the special ears, you'll see they have these new ones. And these were the ones that came out before that. You don't like it? Corella was just asking if that was a toad, and she was looking at the toad on my shirt. Because I am wearing a Mr. Toad's Wild Ride shirt. They got all the vehicles out today on Main Street. I feel like the Carnation Cafe is one of those that I just always forget even exists. Making caramel apples today. Oh, I feel deceived. English toffee. But no one's making any. It's quite a bit of people going into the Tiki Room today. Probably because they want an AC relaxation place. Over here where they had the Tiki stuff, now it's all Lion King. I do like that shirt though. These little stuffed animals. Lion King everywhere. You can even have a Simba pillow. Over here by Bengal Barbecue, you can get various fruits. You can even get pickles. I didn't know that. Pickle does sound really good right now, though. And they have spicy pickles. The crowds are back in Disneyland because the second floor of Jungle Cruise is open. That's kind of a sign right there. It says 35 minutes. Indiana Jones is 75. The empty days of that first month of Galaxy's Edge are over. Disneyland's back to normal. This one looks new. See, they have it over on the mannequin here. It's a beautiful day from New Orleans Square. They have red socks now. And it looks like they now have a Spirit jersey for pirates. Haunted Mansion is a 40-minute wait today. Last few times I've been coming, though, it said it was a 13-minute wait. Seems strange that this is where the Galaxy's Edge sign is. It's out here in front of the lobster shack, like where you get the lobster rolls. You think it'd be a little closer, more like where the Hungry Bear is, but it says the land's open. Many satisfied customers. They actually don't look too wet. You'll see Eeyore is out greeting the guest. Well, I wanted to do single rider on Splash Mountain, but take a look at this. It goes all the way to the gate. So that's not going to happen today. I don't know if I'll be able to ride anything at this rate. We're sending out canoes today. I've still yet to do this canoe ride. Maybe when I'm out here with Sarah, we'll do it. Looks like Chewbacca's out, and Rey. You probably can't hear it on this camera, but there's a lot of communications happening from within the queue of Rise of the Resistance. What's really neat about Rise of the Resistance, if you look through the trees here, you can see some kind of big angular structure. And it's quite large. I want to point out that Sabacc cards are in stock again. They are $16.99, so I'm gonna get these. Have either of you ever heard the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise? The tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise, have you ever heard of it? No? No? Okay. I figured Batu wouldn't have heard it, but it's a good one. It's the Outpost Popcorn Mix. And you could get it in a mouse droid. My life is a wreck.
Ideal temperature, ideal arm angle, ideal speed, and the ideal droid for the job.
Roasting and roasting all day long. There's not a line out in front of Doc Ondar's, which is a promising sight, but that just makes me think that they're probably sold out of most of their stuff. Smuggler's Run isn't as bad as I thought it'd be on a day like this. Looks like we have some stormtroopers up on the scaffolding. I haven't seen them do that before. I wonder if they know the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise.
Yeah.
Probably not. I never paid attention to this section over here. But if you look in those cages, there's battle droids. That's really cool. That's like the only prequel kind of thing I've really noticed here other than the pod racer engine. I'm glad they have that there. Back in Fantasyland, even the Casey Jr. ride line is long, so I won't even be doing that one today, unfortunately. I guess this trip will be shorter than I thought. Mr. Toad's not bad, though. If this courtyard's empty, that means it's not too bad at all. The mine birds aren't mining. The water looks extra blue today. Like a aqua turquoise color. It's always fun to hear the screams of everyone inside the mountain from here. Pizza Port is now officially Alien Pizza Planet. You'll see they've redone the rocket. It looks pretty good, I must say. Definitely better than all the scaffolding they had up not too long ago. And there's the old People Mover track. That takes you into the Tron thing. There's a Galaxy's Edge status map here, right in the middle of Tomorrowland, which makes me think they're just scattered throughout the park, so you can check from anywhere. I haven't necessarily looked for them, but that might explain why I saw that other one earlier too. So it looks like it'd be really comfy after a long day in the park. These are pajama bottoms, flip-flops. You can hear some pretty nasty sounds coming up from that dentist's office. Ugh. I don't think I'd go to see him as a dentist. Hotel Marceline. I like this library over in this corner of the Starbucks. It's a bakery, but we know it says Starbucks. Looks really neat in there. Take a look at the crowds in here. This is now the Happy Haunts Materialize exhibit, which is about the Haunted Mansion. But there's a lot of people in here. And there's Disneyland on opening day, a model. Wonder if they're all here to actually see Mr. Lincoln, though. Alright, that's going to do it from Disneyland. That might be the shortest trip I've ever done. They did have Sabacc cards, and I got the C3PO droid. So I wanted to get those, but also check some things out. Very busy. The quietness that had been going on for the last month or so, that's gone. At least for this weekend. But that's going to do it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.